Hey beautiful friends, welcome to my channel, The House of Jen. I am so excited that you are here and so excited because we are going shopping today at the Hobby Lobby. If you have not already, please subscribe so we can have fun together. My name is Jenny. I love all things creative. Let's go. I want to show you the huge flower selection that Hobby Lobby has. Oh my goodness, they have some beautiful quality pieces. I love the beautiful fresh look of white orchids and roses and cherry blossoms. Oh, so pretty. If you love to decorate with color, check out these beautiful Gabbera daisies. Oh my goodness. They look like raspberry sherbet and strawberries and cream and lemon. Oh my goodness. They just come alive. They are gorgeous.
That's huge.
Y'all check out these massive flowers. I can hardly believe it. Would they not be beautiful like in a photography backdrop or I don't know, so many fun uses. Can you think of some? I was in awe. So I am super partial to the ranunculus flowers, and these did not disappoint. They are creamy, high quality, and gorgeous. Also a little more than I was willing to pay, but I really wanted to show them to you as an option. Are not these dahlias just amazing? I love the blush color. They are so pretty. They also have some kind of like light blue prairie flowers if you are going for a lighter look. So if you love that modern organic feel to your space, check out the vases. They have that kind of stone sort of look that's like Modern Tuscan. They have the glossy black for the elegant feel, and they have the more traditional pieces, something for everyone. So if you got flowers, you gotta have something to put it in. Check out their vases. How sweet are these beautiful framed floral pictures? Oh my goodness. They have a variety of sizes. I love the little ones. You could decorate a bookshelf or a little nook or cranny in your kitchen. I love framed floral pictures. They really jazz up your space. They have that kind of botanical high-end look without the high-end price. Check out your 40% off areas. You will find something, I am sure of it. Okay, so I want to show you my Hobby Lobby haul. Now, some items are springy, and I think I'm done with my spring shopping, but time will tell, right? Okay, so the items that I really went into the store to get, we know how this goes, right? When you see all the items, you go in to get one item and then you come up with multiple bags. And if you are in Hobby Lobby, oh my goodness, like they have it happening. I showed you some of the aisles, but they have so much stuff, you guys. So 40% off. Look at this. Okay, so I am not going to leave it like this. I am actually going to do a DIY video, so stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell, because I'm going to have a new video on a DIY. But look at this little egg, $3.99 and then 40% off. So many possibilities for that. And this is also going to be part of a DIY, although you could totally leave it as like the cute little moss. Put it in a little like tiered tray or like in a big round tray. Add, you know, like a little LED candle. So cute. Okay. Y'all, they had these in different colors, like I think like yellow and pink, and I had to grab the white. So cute. Also for DIY. And this other little moss bunny. He's so cute. They all have like different poses, you know, so which is fun. Okay, and if you do not already know, I am a clearance to the max clearance shopper. And so check out, they have multiple, it'll just say clearance when you go shop. Check it out. Look at this. These are actually placemats, but another fun idea, y'all, this is $1.74, okay? And we know, like Dollar Tree, I mean, some of the items are like $6, $1.50. So really, like, this is like really good deal and really nice quality. Look at the stitching on these placemats. I only picked up one because I thought it would make a great centerpiece. You could actually add flowers. I love the scallops. Scallops are big this season. I've seen the scallop baskets, and I just think it would be super lovely as, like, you know, a centerpiece little blanket. Okay, so got that. Oh, y'all, I showed you some of the planters. I'll tell you the ones that I actually ended up getting myself. So this one I absolutely loved. Okay, I thought $7.49 for how sturdy this was a really good price for these days. I love that it has the little bumper, you know, circular rubber things to protect your furniture. But this also, it has a hole in it. So you could totally like use this as a plant and like a real plant and then have it inside. And black is so classic. And this lends itself to so many different decor styles. Modern Tuscany is big this year. It is big. Like I talked about timeless trends for 2026. I will link that below. But Modern Tuscany, y'all, this is so Modern Tuscany. $7.49. Love it. Okay. So let's see. Oh, more. Let's see. I have more things. Okay. Also in the clearance section, I picked up two of these. Look, y'all, $1.24. I kid you not. These little risers, I think they're like for cupcakes, like if you have a little cupcake party, but you could totally add things on top of it. When you're decorating, add a little riser. So adorable. I think I'm actually going to paint mine, but so cute. I got two of those, $1.24. Yes, really. Okay, let's see what else in the happy Hobby Lobby bags. And look, they like wrap it for you. They are so sweet. I have got to hand it to the staff at Hobby Lobby. They have always been so sweet. Look at this. So I got two of these. Again, so cute. Already blue, but I think I'm going to paint them. Another craft opportunity. And let's see what this is. Oh, I have a story for this one. Okay. This will show you my serendipitous personality while I'm shopping. It is, you guys, yes, it is a snail. And I had to rescue him because I felt bad for him. Look, his little, what do you call these? Like snail antlers? They're broken off. But I have some air clay and I wanted to paint it anyway. And so 63 cents, another fun DIY. But I just figure he would be so cute, like on a bookshelf. I'm an author. He'd be really cute on a little stack of books. I had to rescue him. Slow and steady wins the race. Message in the snail, right? Okay, now, oh, I love this find, you guys. This is, look, this blue, okay, this blue scalloped bowl was only $2.99. $2.99. I think they may have had like 4 of these. So you could totally use this as a gorgeous soup bowl or a cereal bowl. I believe I'm going to use it for like either some moss balls or potpourri because the little scallop, like this is really nice. This is like glazed and it's got the ripples. It's called Market Square. It was regularly $5.99 per bowl, $2.99. I'm going to use it as a decorative bowl. Love it. Love it. Love it. What else? Oh, yes, there's more. There's always more. Yes. Okay. Also picked up 2 of these guys. 2 of these little planters. Y'all look for the sale prices. They are mixed in with the regular planters for regular retail price, but they will sprinkle in. And this is what it looks like. You want to look for these little tags right there. look how versatile. I kind of imagine making my own little topiaries, perhaps, maybe another DIY. $3.49. I picked up 2 of these. They're so cute. And let's see, to scale, like you can see my hand, this is about how big they are. I was like, oh, I absolutely love those. Okay, you could even, plant your little plants. Whatever, also has a hole in the bottom for drainage. I mean, come on. So got 2 of those. And, oh, last but not least, I showed you all those flowers at the beginning. So my favorite one that I found were the ranunculus. I'm a big white and green person because these guys, you can use more like year round, and they are absolutely beautiful. So these were actually not Hobby Lobby. These were the dupes that I found when I was grocery shopping at Aldi. And I believe they were $4.99 per stem. Now, the ones that I showed you at Hobby Lobby, they were much more, okay? But I want to tell you that the leaves, I don't think the leaves are as high quality as the ones that I showed you on Hobby Lobby. And so if you want to splurge, go ahead and buy the very costly per stem piece. But I wanted to get 1, 2, 3, 4 of them for $20 and not pay like, a whole bunch more for a group of flowers, because I wanted to make my budget stretch for Easter. Because really, you guys, things go on clearance. You don't have to pay a whole lot. And really, from far away, I think that's a pretty impressive look. I mean, you have the small little buds and the big buds. So it just depends on what you want to do. But I hope this gave you some fun, like ideas. Maybe you're entertaining for Easter this year, or maybe you just want to springify your house. But have a lot of fun DIYs coming up. So stay tuned, like, subscribe. Love y'all so much. See you next time.